Write each rational number as decimal, tell wherever each decimal is terminating or repeating decimal. In the first example, we have 2 over 11. To change rational number to decimal, we will do long division. So we have to divide 2 by 11. How many times you can put 11 to 2? 0. So we will add after 2 decimal point. It's always invisible, and we can add few zeros because it doesn't change the value of our number. It's still 2. Zeros after decimal point is like nothing. So now we take up this decimal point and we do multiplication. 0 times 11 is 0. Subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. We take down first 0. Now we divide 20 by 11 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. We have to do subtraction. 20 minus 11 is 9. We have to take down next 0. 90 divided by 11 is 8. 8 times 11 is 88. Subtraction. 90 minus 88 is 2. We have to take down next 0. We have 20. Divide by 11 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Again, subtraction. 20 minus 11 is 9. Let me add 2 more zeros because we didn't finish our long division. We take down next 0. We have 90. Again, 90. Divide by 11 is 8. 8 times 11 is 88. So we have 90 minus 88 is 2, and again we add next 0, so it will be 20. So we see that 20 repeats. We will get 20 divided by 11 will be 1, and so on. We cannot finish our long division, so we can say that this number is repeating decimal because 1 and 8 repeats. Still will be 20 divided by 11 will be 1. And again, 1 times 11 give me 11, so it will be 20 minus 11 give me 9. We have to take down another 0, and so on. So we see that 18 repeats. That's why I can rewrite that 2 over 11 is 0.18, and I will not write 18, 18, and 18. Just I will put the bar above 18. It means that this number 18 repeats. And when we cannot finish division and the number repeats, it means that we have repeating decimal. And the second number, we have 9 over 20. We can do long division, or because we have 20, we can multiply. Let me rewrite this fraction with 9 over 20. When we multiply now our by 5, whatever denominator, of course. When I multiply denominator by 5, I have to multiply numerator also by the same number. And now what we have, 9 times 5 is 45. 20 times 5 is 100. Now I got in denominator 100. When we have in denominator 100, 10, 1000, 10,000s, we can't change this fraction to decimal without doing long division. We just copy whatever we have in the numerator and count how many zeros we have here. 1, 2. So from the right side we just cut 2 digits. 1, 2. And we add 0. Decimal point. So 45 hundredths is 45 hundredths at decimal. Because we write this fraction as a decimal, so we can say that this is terminating decimal. This is my solution.